Hello children, today we are going to discuss a new topic, electric current and its effects. You have already learnt about last year electric current. You know so many devices they run by electric current. Okay, like use fan. First example is fan. When we switch on, this fan starts moving. Next is mixie. Okay, mixer grinder, we also call it mixer grinder. That also works when the electricity is there, it works, otherwise it does not work. Bulb, electric bulb also. Last year you have learnt about torch, how torch works, you know. And iron, electric iron, electric bulb, electric iron. Okay, so all these devices they work on electricity. Now one thing comes in our mind, why electric bulb is hot? What makes electric iron hot? So it's an effect of what? Electric current. We are going to discuss about this in this chapter. First is electric circuit. Children, all you are aware of circuit diagram. If you remember this, I told you there are some symbols. Those symbols we are going to use to draw electric circuit. First, what is electric circuit? A drawing of an electrical circuit with standard symbol is called circuit diagram. Is this clear? Now, what are the symbols? Symbols are that any device which, children, all the devices we cannot draw. So, in place of those things, we are going to use symbols. Now, first I am going to tell you about the symbols. This is wire. The symbol of wire is like a straight line. Symbol of bulb is either we draw like this or like this. Okay. Now next is switch. Switch board, you have seen the switch. We make them on or off. Switch is like this in the on position, off position when circuit is open. The air is here, so this is what? Off position of switch. On position when it is connected to wire. This is on position. Now come to the cell. Cell, single is like this. Children, this longer line and shorter line. Longer line depicts plus, shorter depicts minus. Come to the battery. Combination of two or more cell is called battery. Now here we are going to draw two. These are two cells, more cells. So the combination of this is what? Battery. And this side is plus and this side is minus. Okay children, now I am going to show you circuit diagram. Last year you had drawn and you remember that also. Whenever we draw circuit diagram, suppose we are lighting the bulb, wires, these are straight lines are wires. This is bulb, wire. Now we need switch for on and off. This is off position. Now this is one cell. If our bulb is glowing in one cell, then the symbol is this. If it requires two cell, symbol is this. Now this is battery. And now bulb is on or off. It is in off position. Why? Because switch is off. Now we are going to switch off it. This is switch, battery, wire, bulb. If we want to glow the bulb, we will switch off this, switch on this, means in this position, and the electric current will start flowing from plus to minus direction. From plus to minus direction, and the bulb will start glowing. Okay. So this is your circuit diagram. Now few things we need to remember while drawing circuit diagram. First, there should be a source, that is one or more electric cell. This is source. The wire should not have any discontinuity. You are seeing the wire is continuous. If there is any breaking, then what happen? The current will stop here, it will not pass. So continuity should be there. The only component that can have a discontinuity is that switch. If we want to switch off, we are going to open it, switch off. And if we want to open the circuit, then we make it close. Okay. So these things we have to remember while drawing. Okay children, now we are going to discuss how to connect cells to make a battery. How to make a battery? By connecting, we are going to take 3 cells. Okay. We have to make battery. These are 3 cells. Plus is this side knob side is plus, and this is minus. So we always connect the wire from minus to plus. Okay, minus to plus. So this is our battery. By connecting cells together, we can increase the voltage output. Suppose one battery is of 1.5 volt. Second is also 1.5 volt, third is also. Now what is the strength of this battery together? 4.5. Okay. So we have increased the voltage output. Okay. Now you must have seen cell holders. Cell holder, most battery operated device have a place where the cells are to be placed. This is called a cell holder. Cell holder are also available separately. Rechargeable cell, you must have seen the cell holder, and can be used in electrical circuit is if needed. In your toys you have seen cell holder is there. Okay, suppose 4 cell is required, so cell holder is there. The cell should be a cell holder is an open box. It is an open box. In your toy car you must have seen. Generally made of plastic with metal contacts. They are designed to hold one or more cell. They have what is written there, plus, you check it, minus. Suppose 4 cells you want to arrange, so plus this side you are going to, and minus this side. But in other holder you will find minus is written here and plus is this side. Okay. If you have not seen, observe it. They have plus and minus sign inscribed inside where the positive and negative terminals of the cells fit in. Now children, we are going to discuss heating effect of electric current. Heating effect. There are many effects of electric currents. We are going to discuss 2 effects of electric current in this class. First is heating effect and second is magnetic effect. Heating effect of electric current we are going to discuss. Children, all you know, when the current passes the devices, they become hot. You have seen your mobile also, current passes through it and it becomes hot. Okay, try touching a torch bulb that is lit and another that is not. Be careful. Okay, torch bulb which is torch bulb, the lit bulb, when you touch you have to be very careful. Maybe it is very hot, you can burn your fingers. When you touch this lit bulb, do you feel it is hot to touch? And the one which was not lighted, so you are finding that the lit bulb is hot. It is hot just because of the passing of the electric current. In an incandescent bulb, electric current passes through a very thin wire. All last year, do you remember, you have studied about the bulb? Okay, this thin wire made of tungsten, if you remember. Okay, so the electric current passing through it and it becomes very hot, and it becomes hot and it start giving red light. Okay, this what do we call it? Filament. When the bulb is switched on, the filament gets heated. This is due to the heating effect of electric current. Okay, press, electric press, same thing. Heater, same thing. Micro electric oven, same thing. So in all devices you can see heating effect of electric current. What is the advantage and disadvantage of this heating effect? Generally, the heating effect of electric current is not good because it results in a loss of electric energy. Children, in mobile, when mobile heat up, so what do you say? It's advantage or disadvantage? It is disadvantage because here the charging is there, that is now wasting just because of the heating effect of device, electric current. It results in a loss of electrical energy and also result in the damage of electrical appliances. Sometime you have seen in your home, you must have heard that the bulb is fused. But why bulb is fused? The bulb is fused just because of the heating effect. You know, the wire due to heat, the wire melts and it disconnects. Okay, heating and other ways, the same heating effect can be put to good use. Like in electrical iron, just you see, there we use this heating effect for ironing the clothes. In bulb, it gives us light so that we can read the things. And in electric like oven, we bake the cakes and all. Okay, so it is also very useful in day-to-day life.